morning, my dear students. Here, Abhi sir want to wish you all the best. It's my first batch in 2017. I taught you in class 9 and then 11, 12, 4 years. I want to wish you all the best. You get whatever you desire, what you deserve.
Dear students, it has been a very nice journey as a facilitator. I'm sure that you all are driven by academic ambitions and high achievement motivation at this moment. I'm sure that you all will fly high and you will shine bright, but never forget your alma mater. All the very best.
मंजिल उन्हें नहीं मिलती जिनके ख्वाब बड़े होते हैं, मंजिल उन्हें मिलती है जो अपनी जिद में डटे रहते हैं। मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अब आप स्कूल की पढ़ाई खत्म कर आगे की पढ़ाई के लिए आप कॉलेज की ओर रुख कर रहे हो, अर्थात एक नई शुरुआत कर रहे हो। जीवन रूपी रास्ते में एक कदम आगे की ओर बढ़ रहे हो। हम सभी की यही कामना है कि अपने जीवन में जो भी आपने बनने के लिए सोचा है उसे आप परिश्रम और अपने बुद्धि बल के जरिए हासिल करें। हो सकता है इस आपको कुछ परेशानियों का सामना भी करना पड़े, लेकिन न उससे घबराना और न ही मुंह मोड़ना। जीत आपको ही मिलेगी, यह मेरा वादा है। इसी शुभकामना के साथ मैं अपनी बात को यही खत्म कर रही हूँ।
हेलो बच्चों, सबसे पहले तुम सभी को तुम्हारे उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। बस एक छोटा सा संदेश देना चाहूंगी। इतने ऊंचे उठो जितना ऊंचा आसमान है, इतने गतिमान बनो जितना गतिमान परिवर्तन है, और इतने सुंदर बनो जितना आकर्षण है। बस ये मत भूलना, हम सब आपके साथ हैं।
Hello class 12, it's time for farewell, isn't it? But we cannot bid you any such farewell because you have become a part and parcel of our lives. You have been an integral part of the school, and we would like you to remain so even when you are not in school. Try to be a successful person, not only in terms of career but also in terms of being a human being. Try to be a good human being. Career will always be there. Wish you good luck, and all my blessings are with you. Thank you.
Goodbyes are not forever, not the end. They simply mean that I will miss you till we meet again. My dear children, you all have been a very special part in my life. I wish you success in whatever you do. Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than it seems, and smarter than you think. Love you always and wish you all the best in life.
As we grow comfortable with our present situation, life demands changes, and we must unwillingly or willingly comply. A very good morning to all of you. Finally, the day has come to bid adieu to our outgoing batch. As all the memories cloud my mind, I look back to all of those that I have gathered with you. It will always stay close to my heart. Wishing you all a very successful and scintillating career ahead. Always stay happy and healthy.
My dear students of class 12, today I stand here as a mother bird watching her young nestlings leave the comfortable atmosphere of her nest and fly into that big wide world. As a mother, I'm watching over you. I hope with sincerity and honesty you will reach the summit and stay put there. I bless you all with all my heart, my love for you, my all good wishes that you emerge as real suitable global citizens of the world, not just of the country, and keep the flag of your institution, your family, your association high. All the best.
Change is the only constant. A very good morning to everyone present. At last the day has finally come, and with a heavy heart we bid goodbye to our dearest children. Now, when I look back at all the lovely memories I had gathered with you all the troubles we had shared, and all the achievements we have celebrated together, I could not have asked for a better group of students as my very own family. You all will stay in my heart forever. Thank you.
Dear students, it was a real pleasure teaching all of you. Such fast time flies. Just the other day you were in the class waiting to start school, and today it's your time to leave. But remember, we have made such great memories over the last few years. Reminisce those memories. I'll have them cherished forever in my heart. I know it was difficult for all of you doing the school from home, but again, look at the positive side of it. We have made wonderful memories. I'll be remembering each one of you in great detail, and you all will have a very special place in my heart. Wherever you go, wherever you are, my blessings will be there with all of you. And remember, as we embark on your career, on your life's journey, I do pray to God that all of you should have a very successful career and a glorious future ahead. Take care, all of you. Be safe, stay happy. Make the best of your lives. Thank you.
Hello dear students, I'm Kala ma'am here to wish you all good luck for your future endeavor. We all know how difficult the past year have been for you all, missing the last year of your school life. But nevertheless, you have put your brave front forward, and we know you all are ready to face the challenges of life. So here I am, proud to wish the real heroes of DPS Newtown, the batch of 2020-21, all the best.
আমার প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, তোমাদের জন্য অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা আর শুভকামনা। আজ তোমরা বিদ্যালয়ের ক্ষুদ্র গণ্ডি ছেড়ে বৃহত্তর আকাশে উঠতে চলেছ। তোমাদের আগামী দিনগুলো অনেক সুন্দর হোক, সফল হও, 100 বার তা চাই। তার পাশাপাশি চাই খুব ভালো মানুষ হও।
Good morning, students. You are going to start a very, very important chapter in your life. And never keep your academic excellence as a thing of the past. And always remember, students, nobody and nothing can help you in your life until you start helping yourself. So all the very, very best to all of you. Thank you so much.
My darling students, the pandemic has been hard on us, and I wish we could have met in person in school. But since that was not to be, we've made the most of our times through online classes, and we've had a share of good times and bad times. As you are leaving school with lots of memories, I wish you all the very best. Soar high and make your school proud. We are always there for you. Lots of love.
Hello everyone, my dear class 12 students. I wish you best of luck. I wish you success in your life, in your career and different phases of your life. My dear students, as you living this institution, you may expect different challenges in your life, but I strongly believe that you will overcome them with flying colors. My dear students, go ahead and be a winner.
To my wonderful batch of class 12s 2020-2021. At the very onset, I want to congratulate all the learners for their hard work, which has borne them the sweet fruit of success. You deserve to be proud of your achievements, your academic performance, co-curricular activities, and your involvement with your teachers and peers during this trying time has set an example to your juniors. May you achieve success in your future and chase your dreams, utilize your full potential, make your parents and teachers proud by your achievements. Wishing you all the very best in life.
Dear students, the school has witnessed your childhood, your adolescence, and you're all set to enter the adulthood of life stage. You are the subject of a teacher's action, the target of a teacher's thought, and a complement of teacher's endeavor. So go ahead, students, and build up a greatest foundation for your next level. May you all achieve your impressive milestone with great honor and integrity. All the best.
Dear students, the past 2 years have been years with a difference for you, for all of us, and the memories that we've shared together will always hold a special place in my heart. From academics to this virtual farewell that we are having today, I would like to convey my greatest admiration to all the skills and capabilities that all of you have shown over these tough times. You all have adjusted to your limits. I would like to tell you that you all have proved that you all are much above than any test scores. I wish all of you a very best. Achieve your dreams, students, because you all have that ability. Thank you.
My best wishes to you all, my dear students. Shine in life. God bless.
Very sad to see you leave, but it's very good that you are prepared for your next phase of your life. Never stop learning and never stop dreaming. Best of luck.
Starting from switch on the camera till, ma'am, I could not finish the homework today. The journey has finally ended. Even if the journey has ended, we are all loaded with memories. Let us all be happy and cherished with these memories. Children, all the very best to your future and life ahead, and be happy and full of enjoyment in life. Thank you.
Congratulations, dear students. Today is your special day, and we all are glad seeing that you all have really grown in every sphere of your life, not only as a student, but as a young mind with a right mindset for the future. So all the best for your higher studies. Continue making us proud. Wishing you all the best for your life. And one more thing, always be happy and stay healthy. Thank you. Thank you all.
Hello students, it is a lovely feeling for us teachers to see you joining our school as a toddler, growing up in front of our eyes, tall and confident, and now absolutely ready to take a step forward out into this vast world. Wish you all the very best for the journey ahead. Do not let the smile part with you. Stay grounded and always listen to your heart before you take a plunge. On behalf of teachers teaching from classes 1 to 5, wish you all the very best from the bottom of our heart. We will always be there for you. Stay happy, stay safe, and wish you all the best.
Hi, my dear students. My little ones have grown up so much and are ready to conquer the world. I can still remember the classes and the fun we had at school. You're all stepping into a new world full of challenges and possibilities. Be true to yourself. Be humble and polite. Spread love and show respect to everyone. May all your dreams and desire come true. My best wishes for each and every one. May God bless you. Best of luck. Shovik sir.
Hello students. I'm really going to miss the moments, the interaction that we used to have in our classes. It was really wonderful to teach this batch. And now that you are ready to go out and meet new people and face new challenges, I'm sure each one of you have the potential to make it really big in life. Never be afraid of a new situation. Take it up as it comes. If you have any problem, discuss the matter with your parents, your siblings, with your teachers. We all are there for you. And don't forget to live your life and enjoy it every moment. Okay, pursue a hobby and live to the fullest. All the best to all of you.